Gen Z people should not be doctors because I went to a Gen Z doctor and it was awful. I dislocated my knee and I couldn't walk, so I went to the hospital. And normally at this hospital, there's a bunch of old, angry men that are doctors there and they kind of seem like they hate me. But that's what I like because I trust them. But this time, I go inside, they put me into a room, and this guy walks in that could be no older than like 25 years old and he goes, "Sup, dog?" And at this point, I'm just thinking, okay, it must be bring your kid to work day or something. So I'm just like, "What's up?" But then he says, "So I'm gonna be the one putting your knee back in place today." My heart sinks because just by looking at this guy, I could tell that he used Quizlet to get through medical school. And my life is in his hands. But then it gets worse because he asks me how I injured my knee and I say, "Oh, I did it playing basketball." And he says, "Yeah, man, basketball can low-key be dangerous." Low-key? Dog, my doctor did not just say low-key. At this point, I just accepted that I'm probably never gonna walk again because this guy's my doctor, but I'm like, all right, whatever, let's just put my knee back in place. So he asks if I'm ready for him to do it and I say yes, and he says, "Okay, on one, ready? 3, 2, and then he does it on 2. And I scream super loud because it hurt, but I instantly feel better. But you know what he does?
Now watch the next part by pressing share and more.